everyone. Today we're doing a flamingo now with these lovely pinks that I've got here. So let's get started. First off, I'm going to use this pink D117 from Lavender Violets as my background. You can use whatever colour will fit with the set that you're doing for your client, obviously. I just chose this one just because it's a nude colour and it'll make the flamingo pop. So once we've got a nice even coverage, that's going to go in the lamp. And then I've got my Natalie Mugridge detailer brush here, which is super fine. I'm going to be using that to paint my flamingo. I've got my palette here and I'm going to put some of the pink D114 from Lavender Violets onto my palette because this is going to be the main colour that I use for his head and his body. And this is a super easy design. Once you see how easy it is, you'll be able to offer it to your clients as well. So first, before I do any design, I'm just going to give that a wipe now it's come out of the lamp, and I'm going to top it with matte top coat to stop it from slipping and sliding on the nail because it's slightly curved when we do the design. So I'm just loading my brush up here. Make sure that you anchor your finger so that you're comfortable. And first off, we're going to start with a like an S. It doesn't matter that the lines are not super thin at the moment because we're just making the outline for the head, the neck and the body. And you can go in and refine the details a bit later, but this is just like an S. And now we can go in and make his head a bit bigger. I think in hindsight, when I look back at this, I probably should have made his neck fatter than it was. But hey, it's done now, so I was quite happy with the outcome, to be honest. It was the first time that I'd done this. I hadn't practiced this before I recorded it, so yeah, you guys have got it raw, really. So I'm happy with that, so I'm just flashing it for 10 seconds and then we're going to carry on. I then do the next bit, which is his body. So you literally just draw a line up there to make those meet. And then you're going to fill in the body part and, you know, make it fatter if you want, or leave it as it is, whatever you want really. I think I just faffed with him a bit now, filled in the blanks and yeah, just refined his neck and head at this point. You could flash it again here if you wanted to. I didn't. I probably should have done. Because at the moment, you know, all of the lines and things are all, some's thicker than the others. So I'm just going in and fixing all of that now that I'm happy with the placement of the flamingo. I think the bottom of his neck needed to be thicker, and I don't think I made it any thicker than what it is now. but you know, it looks like a flamingo when it's finished. So now I look like I've given him an Adam's apple, so I'm just going to correct that. There we go. So that's gone in the lamp. Next we're taking D112, which is like a neon pink. You can use any pink that you want, it's just the one that I picked up. So I've got some of that on my palette, and now I'm going to do his wing. So again, loading your brush, just doing a couple of little lines each side, like a wing. That's how easy it is, and you can refine it from there. Once you're happy with the placement, you can make it fatter, thinner, do extra feathers on his wing. I was happy with it like that, so it's going to go in the lamp. Next, I think I'll do his legs. Now, I wasn't overly keen on his legs, to be honest. Oh no, it's not his legs. Is it his legs? I'm going to do his beak. Make your mind up, woman. Which one? Oh, beak. Okay, so his beak was fine. So it's just a little triangle. Fill it in, and it's done. Super simple. In the lamp it goes. So yes, next, onto the legs. Please be the legs next. Yeah, I wasn't happy with his feet on the legs, but hey ho. Yeah, his feet don't look right, but never mind. It's not really the main part of the design, is it really? It's more of the actual body. So as always with flamingos, obviously they always seem to have one leg crossed, don't they? So that's what we're going to try and do here. So a quick line there, and then the line coming across for his other leg. Really simple. Do his feet. Again, maybe I should have, like, I don't know, Googled a picture of one, so I mean, look at that. It's just terrible. But it you know what, it stayed there. And then I just think I just went over it. Once I was happy-ish with the placement, I yeah, just went over his legs again a little bit more. And his stupid toes, which I clearly can't paint. But anyway. So next we're going to get the black for his beak and his eyes. So we just only need a tiny bit. So I am just taking a little blob on the end of my detailer brush to just do the end of his beak. Just a little bit, doesn't need to be big. And then also for his eye, then he's going to go in the lamp again. And then when he comes out, I'm just going to give him a wipe with the isopropyl alcohol, and I'm using Magpie's Don't Be Tacky top coat. Or you could matte top it, whatever you prefer. Whatever your client prefers, should I say. And then pop that in the lamp when you're happy. There he is. So I hope you liked him, guys. If you did, please give me a like and a subscribe and comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.